Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, everyone! Well, today's video, I'm not going to be uploading it till tomorrow, consequently the feeding video, because I'm going to enjoy the rest of the day with the family, so no videos for today. But I do want to give an update video on my Trineochilus murinus red form. This is my OBT. This is a little bit better video than I did last time. And she's out fully in the open. You can see right over here the epigastric furrow. She is a 100% female. Now this tea I have not seen in many months. It's probably about 4 or 5 months actually since I last seen this one fully out in the open. Yeah, OBTs are an intense web builder. She looks to be around, I would say a good 4.5 inches right now. Easily, the species can get up to 6 to 7 inches in leg span. Very fast tea, very temperamental. Don't suggest handling this one. Yeah, wow. I want to try to get the dorsal shot. Let's see if you can actually see what she looks like. I don't want to open her up because she is mean. She's probably meaner than my spawn of hell. Well, I don't think anyone is meaner than my spawn of hell. Yeah. I'll just blow on it just to show you how defensive these are. She's actually hissing right now. Yeah. I'm not gonna piss her off anymore. Yeah, so just a little video of my OBT. And if anyone knows or wants to know about the care sheet of this particular tea, just view my Tarantula Mythbuster video 7. I went to great detail about the OBT, and the care sheet applies to similarly to the P. lagardi, which is the less defensive relative of the OBT, and the Trineochilus cordatus, the Kilimanjaro mustard baboon. Generally, they like it pretty dry. My adult is in a standard size critter keeper with a little water dish. And for substrate, either use eco earth that comes in the brick or inorganic potting soil. That's what they seem to enjoy best at. Alright everyone, so hope you have a nice Christmas, and tomorrow I'll be uploading these videos, especially the newest feeding video tomorrow. Alright everyone, see you later.